very good. Nag-enjoy na ka mo? Okay, very good. So before we mag-start sa ating event, we would like to introduce our event team first. Hi, and we're joining us for today together with our partner, Ate Shane, the small one. Ate Ann, the big one. And Ate Lou, medyo together with Ate Myrna. Okay. So ready na ako mag-dance? And of course, the bubbly and energetic Ate. And okay. Ready na, shake the hands.
Come here.
One more. So Ate Lou, let me take a hit dance steps. One is okay. Sit to child. And yes, very good. So at this time, pinanyanin ko yung choice ay gawa ka team o gawa ka grupo. Kaya Ate Shane, kaka Ate Lou. And then ang ma-host ang basket natin si Ate Awan and Ate Eden.
Up.
For your 5, 1, 2, 3, 4.